54. The Restless Heart. I have 9 keys in my keyring. Living as I do out in the country, in the hills, I have no street lights to see by when I come home in the dark. Some of my keys are almost identical, and yet, when I reach the door in the dark, my fingers have automatically found the right key for our front door. If my wife asks, as she does now and then, "How can you find the right key in the dark with all the keys you carry?" then I can't find it. However, if I don't think about it, I have the right key every time. The Lord God tells Israel, "The ox knoweth his owner, and the ass his master's crib, but Israel doth not know, my people doth not consider." Isaiah 1:3. Without thinking, the ox and the ass know their place. Because God created us, of all of us it is true, as the psalmist declares, "My heart and my flesh crieth out for the living God." Psalm 84:2. As St. Augustine stated it, "Our hearts are restless until they rest in Thee." However, because of sin, we resist becoming what God created us to be, His faithful covenant people. My fingers know the right key in my ring until my mind intervenes. St. Paul says that every man knows all that may be known of God, because God has revealed these things clearly to all men. But because of man's unrighteousness or injustice, man's sin, men, quote, hold, or better, hold down the truth in unrighteousness. Romans 1:18-20. Men suppress the truth because they're sinners, and they hate God's truth. Professing thus to be wise, men become fools. Our hearts, however, are always restless until they rest in Him, because He is our peace.